I'm Carter with Craft Customs and wanted to just show you a little bit of a different steering wheel that we are doing. This wheel came in from a company that we work for. They do modified interiors, which is obviously a modified steering wheel for handicap customers. And so they made this steering wheel from a billet block. So it's a hard metal steering wheel. It's going to go on a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. So I guess they had to make it smaller, maybe for wheelchair accessibility or something. They've also modified, made this whole center to be able to add controls to be able to do accelerate and brake and whatnot. So anyway, we're going to put this through our process. We're going to add padding to the steering wheel, and then we're going to take leather just up to the spoke. We're not going to go up onto it because they need to be able to put their controls in there. So I asked us not to take the leather up the spokes. So we'll take a look at this and see how it looks when we are finished with our transformation. Okay, so we've got this custom steering wheel for a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica, all upholstered in leather. We have put a layer of padding underneath the leather because this was a billet solid metal steering wheel, so to give it a little bit of a soft feel on the grip there, and then upholstered in that really nice Ferrari leather. So looks amazing. It's going to really enhance this vehicle. Again, as I said before, this vehicle is a handicap disability vehicle that all of the controls for driving will be in here and a panel on the dash, the way they build these. And this customer of theirs will now be able to drive once again, even in a handicap type vehicle that's going to be a luxury handicap vehicle. Anyway, reach out to us here at Craft Customs. Anything we can help you with, craftcustoms.com, or give us a call at 214-564-1170. You're going to love what you get, and we guarantee it.